And okay, yeah. So this is the feature. So this is the plan side, So you have this like paper here on like ethical artificial intelligence by Bill Hibbard, right? At I made it with Miri and stuff. It's fairly old, but I was just interested in seeing like, okay, what's it actually about? But it's about 177 pages. That is a lot, right? And actually look for yourself. I know, like, sometimes I'd pop it into like Claude or whatever and stuff, but like going back and forth is a bit of pain. But we decided this new thing here, and I knew this would be useful, but even with that, I underestimated just how much it would be. So now we can like not just read text, but also like PDFs and stuff. So it'd be like, right. So what's the actual idea for how to implement this plan? Does he have any code or way to actually implement it? And this is like through like just like the Grok API. It was like a Llama 8B and stuff, and I thought like Llama 8B is like not much, but even with that, it's surprisingly like a lot. Oh yeah, let me just change the system prompt in here. I want this to be like concise, and add the brackets there to make it better. Yeah, and I want to ask this again, so I'm just gonna make a little reply here. Actually, I just want to just start this all over again, so I'm just gonna go into here, and I'm gonna say here, concise. I'll save that and go there. Okay, no implementation. Really? So it's got some math framework, utilitarian ethics because Miri, utility functions because Miri. Okay, self one things to what the heck? Right. So this is a theoretical concept. Right. So it's in any way related to actual implementations in any way. Right. So, but I don't want to like pollute the whole context with that. So I'm just gonna make a little branch. And like there's a branch there. What was I thinking? Something around like okay, even with the concise thing, it does this rambling thing. Evolve. Oh yeah, the self-modeling techniques thing. What exact? Oh, you know the stuff. Okay. I mean, how is it? Right. Okay. So what's the exact way? No, wait. Does this interact with or use slash any current deep learning systems? Oh wait, I say current. It's like 2015. So no, of course not. Right. Okay. Does he actually mention Q learning in here? Right. Oops. Value based. Actually, one second. Let me just. The pop out thing is not there. One second. The self modeling agent, the formal framework analog of value learning AI design, such as DeepMind, entire pair. It's kind of in section 3. Wait, what's this saying here? Oops. What's this stuff about? This is something he shows how to implement. Right, what exactly is the self-modeling framework thing? Actually, is it even worth understanding it if it's like just not implementable at all? Okay. Why? Yeah. Does he? What's the self? What's it like? Self-modeling. As a formal framework analog of value learning AI design such as. Right. That's useless though. Why make like isn't like everything that we've learned showing that like having a formal framework is worse? Why? Okay. Why does he think that? Wait. So, what's his actual idea for improving solving alignment? That's so using model based Okay, that's just capabilities though. Okay, you just outcomes at one point. Right, again, that's just like letting it know. Okay, is all this stuff just for getting the AI to know what human values and stuff are? Is there anything about how to make sure that the AI actually internally believes or adheres to those values when it makes decisions, things, etc.? Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. Huh. Okay, so he does have an idea for that. For self-modeling framework for making its own concept of itself and its design intentions. Um, so motivate value system, sex values aligned with the So wait, what? Okay, this. Hold on a second. What? So internal consistency, utility, function, and definition. Discusses the importance of ensuring that the AI systems utility function, so goals and values. Mm-hmm. Okay, one sec. So three arguments have been defined in terms of three different histories to address corruption of the reward generator. Ah, okay. What? I don't know what the heck this means. Uh-huh. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, so okay, I want to go back to the OG branch for that. So like takes me input produces a single output. A specific situation or event being evaluated, the human perspective, human observer. Right. Okay, it can. Okay, so this is largely irrelevant because we have models which do understand human perspective, but we just don't know if they'll actually do that, or if they say they'll do that and so on. And especially like our scale and so on. It could be you put Claude Order into a bot right now, and it acts in some ethical way, or in some manner of some ethical way. Okay. Right. So, a couple of vulnerabilities. So, one is the largely ways to is so give an eval of a vulnerability which says of this article. Oops. Article, which says it's largely about how to make an AI which able to understand well able to understand human values rather than sticking to them. Okay. which parts of the article could be used as evidence for this. Which parts of the article that this is what the thing is about. Ah. So evidence. So chapter 7. Almost done, just finishing this up. So this chapter is okay. So we need AI. Okay. The problem is getting AIs to stick to human values, not learn them. Stick to our values, not learning our values. Reference. Among other things, this book is largely about focuses on how to get an AI model to learn human values, not on how to get the model to actually stick to / believe the values. This, I think, is missing the point of what's hard about VLAN problem. Just like AI model. It's previously known at this point how to get an AI model to learn some facts, to learn / be able to reason about some facts to be able to talk about it's pretty doable to get an AI model to talk about and learn what human values or some what human values are. The actual hard part is making sure that they stick to them and believe in them in a robust and scalable way. Draper doesn't seem to tackle that at all. Rating instead focusing part, which is now largely obsolete. Yeah. So that was how many minutes? It was about like, all right, not good effort, but mostly due to my own rambling. But still go through like several hundred pages of book in like a pretty easy way. And refresh the page. Sorry, God. All right. Gonna show them with the critique showing and stuff, but I'll fix that and I'll get that up. And now, yeah, it's pretty easy now. I have just understand now what the plan's actually about. It's just using like some formal theory and stuff, and it's pretty much irrelevant. So like, cool. It's not really lots of time and stuff, and I'll add some other stuff as well about it's like entirely theoretical and the whole paper. So no code or pseudocode or link to an implementation. This is entirely theoretical and could be either unimplementable or rely on a whole bunch of assumptions that completely fall apart when someone tries to implement it. Considering that we need to solve things fast, something that's entirely theoretical with no form of implementation or proposed implementation seems not useful for me. Oh, oops, forgot to choose vulnerability. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Hope it was useful. Let me know what would be better for next time. Yeah, sorry for the delay.